Hello everybody. I'm thrilled to share some exciting news with you all. I've embarked on a new financial journey by starting a brand new portfolio focused entirely on dividend income. My long-term goal is to eventually live off the dividends I receive, but for now, I'll be reinvesting all the dividends to grow this portfolio even faster. I'll be revealing all the holdings soon, but here's a sneak peek. This portfolio is exclusively made up of ETFs that pay dividends. Follow along on this journey and watch the dividend snowball in action. I'll be sharing everything I do with the portfolio and all the dividends I receive. Expect weekly updates to keep you in the loop. This is just a brief introduction to my new portfolio. If you're interested, I'll dive deeper into the different holdings in future videos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to stay updated. Now, let's get into some numbers. The market value of this portfolio today is $36,788. The projected annual dividend is $2,429, which means it pays around $202 every month in dividends. That's a solid portfolio yield of 6.6%. And now, let's talk about the holdings. Nordic High Dividend Low Volatility ETF, 21% of my portfolio, with a dividend yield of 4.95%. JP Morgan Global Equity Premium Income ETF, 18% of my portfolio, yielding around 7%. JP Morgan US Equity Premium Income ETF, 17.9% of my portfolio, yielding around 7.5%. JP Morgan Nasdaq Equity Premium Income ETF, 17.6% of my portfolio, yielding between 9% to 10%. Invesco Euro Stoxx High Dividend Low Volatility ETF, 12.6% of my portfolio, yielding around 5.8%. Fidelity Europe Quality Income ETF, 12.5% of my portfolio, yielding around 3.5%. The 3 JP Morgan ETFs pay monthly dividends, while the other 3 pay quarterly. The JP Morgan ETFs come with an option strategy, adding an extra layer of income potential. These are the 6 ETFs I'm planning to hold for the long term. I'll continue to buy more every month and reinvest all the dividends I receive to maximize growth. What do you think about this portfolio? Do you have any favorite ETFs? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's build this dividend empire together. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.